Um, hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we will be building a vehicle in Forza Horizon, if I have the money.
Welcome back, Justin.
Um, well, if I don't have the money, I'll just get the money. It's Forza Horizon 5, just so you know. There is a money glitch that I will show you. Okay, this is my truck that I got recently. Sounds pretty nice. I'm not the greatest at drifting, but okay, what is this? $7,000, not bad. And my bumper is broken on my controller, so it's the issue with these controllers. This will be an unedited video, just so you know. Well, there might be a couple edits, but I'll try not to do any cuts. Just checking something. Let's see something. Oh, here we go. Should I get that, or should I get the must? You know what? I'll get this. Ah, never mind. I was gonna try to get that, but too late. And of course, I only have an Xbox One S, so it's extremely slow. Blaming this on there. I'm gonna go do the money glitch and then buy a vehicle from the auto show and build it. If it ever loads. Okay. What is this? I'm not gonna buy it. What in the world? Never seen that car before. Okay. So there's this money glitch you can do. Show you exactly what it is. If I can. You need a very specific vehicle, and it has to be completely stock for this money glitch to work. And you get quite a bit of money each time. Okay. I already have it saved. So, my favorites. Okay. There's the share code. Hope you guys can see that. Anyway, it's this map. Solo. And then we use, where is it? There it is. Local Motors Rally Fighter 2014, completely stock. Has to be completely stock. At least as I was told. I never tried upgrading it. And this part always takes forever to load because it's a 1S. So for when I'm doing this race, you have to do exactly what I do. Not exactly, but try to keep it as close as to do what I do. Doesn't matter if in your manual or automatic mode. Manual makes you a bit more money, but I like it in automatic mode better, so I always just have it in automatic. Oh, and sorry for the long delay between videos. I was gonna make another Minecraft video, but I lost the footage to that video, so yeah. Ooh, that's a nice truck. Anyway, then I decided, hey, why don't I just make a Forza video? And that's what I'm doing now. Might look like I'm losing, but I'll win. Okay, and I slow down here. Just go around this checkpoint. Down here. Around here. Go into here. And hold E-brake. Just hold your E-brake until you let go. Just hold the E-brake and it'll work. Look at my score going up. I'm in first place in the race. I'm not sure when the race ends. Total, this is a 50-lap race, I think. And all you need to do is this. There. Now you let go of A when it comes to this screen. Finished first. All I did was what you saw. Look at my points and how much higher they are than everyone else's. Okay, I had just over $100,000 when I was done this race. You got 2 wheel spins, I think. This one and then a normal where you have to go do it. 40 grand. Okay. Ain't bad. Now we just let it load. I'm thinking of building like an off-roading vehicle this time. A high-powered off-road vehicle. The money that I have and like just take a normal pickup truck. Ooh, it's bright. Yeah, now I have almost 300 grand. Oh, 3 wheel spins total. Okay, 20 grand. Any money I get will help me go towards the build. One roll up would have been way better. There. Just gonna get like I'm not sure what, just random vehicle and then be fine. Okay, auto show. And I'm gonna find a pickup truck. My $300,000, I'm gonna get a pickup truck. That turned into an off-road truck. Okay, start here. Not gonna get that. It's too heavy duty. Isn't that good of a vehicle. Could get a Raptor. Could get a Hummer. No, I'm not going to. International. Nope. Jeep? No. Trying to think of a pickup truck that would... What is that? Okay. Could get this Mercedes. Now that would be funny. Yep, that's what I'm gonna get. Turn this thing into an off-road vehicle. It's kinda ugly, in my opinion. In some ways it looks nice, in some ways it doesn't. Let me think. Right there. I want to make it as weird as possible. Yep. I'd never put this wrap on a vehicle that I'm going to use more than 5 times. Probably going to use this thing a couple times, but only for off-road purposes. Actually, I use Lambos for off-road, but we don't talk about that part. If you guys want to see more videos like this, just let me know in the comments, and then I can maybe post more. Wrong button. Can't see anything. Look at that tiny little motor. We need to change this. Okay. American flag, that makes me happy even though I'm Canadian. 4x4. This thing ain't no 4x4. Okay. Where's the star? Oh, that's a big screen. How do you start this thing? There we go. Oh, don't sound very good. Time to test the non-existent power of this pickup truck. Oh yeah, so much power. I'm seriously getting stuck on nothing. If I tried drag racing this thing, I'd lose immediately. It says I'm going like 140 kilometers an hour. Believe it. Ow. Alright, I'm pinned right now. Oh, yo, that thing's epic. Like, I'm genuinely pinned. I turned damage off. I don't know why. Probably because of my nice vehicles. Okay, time to make this thing have a bit more power. Oop. It's nice and warm. Toasty. Heater. Yeah, the fan's done. Okay. Immediately get rid of this thing. I'm gonna put like a 3-liter inline 6. Yes. Ooh. Off-road? Yes. Getting off-road vibes. I think that genuinely this would make it look the most off-road. Not the greatest looking on this vehicle, but move those steps just like a real off-road vehicle. Tires. Need off-road tires. There we go. Make it a bit wider. It'll be a true off-road vehicle. Engine. Average off-roading vehicle. Sounds. No anti-lag. Okay, this is where the real important stuff comes in. Bit higher. And okay. Ooh. That doesn't even look that bad. Okay, we're good. $113,000. What in the world? I'll just diff. Okay, we're done. Time to test it off-road. This is the weirdest looking off-road vehicle I've ever seen. But it should work. Leave the factory rims on there, because who wouldn't? Oh, looks like my friend's online. If you watched my old videos, or if you watch my videos on my other channel, my friend Logan, that's him. Come on, how do you feel the power difference? Okay, time to tune. Tires, minimum pressure, gearing, can't do that. Anti-roll bars, I'll leave that. This is high as it goes, high as it goes. this one a bit higher. I'll make this one like 700. That brake. Bit more brake to the. A bit more brake to the front. Balance, definitely this way. Okay, good test for this thing is climbing a mountain. Wait, what's the red line on this thing? Oh. That's nice. Alright, we're just gonna... Yeah, this thing already has more power. I don't think the other truck would have been able to do this. Okay, wait till the skill score disappears. This is one of my only vehicles that can actually make it up this mountain while accelerating and getting air. Other than my Lambos. Like, most of my other vehicles wouldn't be able to just to jump anything. Ooh, wait. Is this the Watchtower Road, or is the Watchtower up here? Yeah, this is probably my most powerful vehicle. Now, I could probably add even more power to this thing if I wanted. Okay. This is genuinely the highest I've ever been. Oh. Camera mode. Gonna take a picture of myself up on this mountain. Oh. Oh, looks like my camera is falling. Okay, I want to go down there. It's got power, it just don't got torque. It's just got torque, just doesn't have power. It's got both. Slide it over. If any of you want more videos like this, or want off-road outlaws, or whatever you want, okay, I'm gonna have to go back. Why? Click rewind. Whatever kind of videos you want, I could post them. I'm gonna make videos quite a bit more now. I think I'm ready to make videos. I usually just get tired of making videos and then I don't make any, but now I'm planning to make videos for a while. I just want to know what I should make. True off-road. And I'm gonna pin it down this road. Electricity. What's that doing up here? Personally, this is probably my favorite car game. Second favorite. I like BeamNG Drive a bit more, but I haven't played that for. I don't play that very often because I don't have anything to play it on. Just doing true off-road things. Come on, land. I need to make that jump wider. Sorry for the kind of person that hates it when the person uses rewind. But I like to use my rewind, so... If you guys want me to build another vehicle, but like a street vehicle, then just let me know below. Because I would make another video. How about this? At 100 views, then I will make another Forza video of a street vehicle next time. Seems fair enough. Off-roading professionally. Sideswiping people. Time to go off through the desert. On drift. I'm doing pretty good. Okay. Or if you guys want me to restore a vehicle in Car Mechanic Simulator, I can do that also. Gladly restore like a Mach 1 or an F-250, something like that. Ford GT, if I can find one. Well, whatever kind of video you want, as long as it's Minecraft, Off-Road Outlaws, this. I might even do Forza Horizon 4. Just let me know, because then I'll do it. Anyway, let's get to off-roading this vehicle. Okay, ultimate skill chain, doing good. There's one thing I really do want to know. Do you guys think my videos are boring at all? Because I'm not sure if they are or not. I want your honest opinion whether they're boring. And if you made it to that part where I just said that, well then I know that I must be somewhat interested. But if my videos are most of the time boring, then can you please tell me? I'd like to know. 140,000? Get some skill points. What did I get? Oh. You know what? I might just go pull out a different one of my vehicles. Change car. Good job, my Raptor R. Ah man, messed up. I haven't played this. I haven't played in a while, so. Oh yeah! I was gonna build this. Next video. Oh, different time. Want to see me build that truck? Let me know. Down in the comments. It's older, not really old. It's like a 2017, or maybe a bit newer. Ford F450. So. Oh yeah, this is my Raptor R. I think it's a rear wheel. Why would it be? Is it a rear wheel drive? Seriously. Who would make this thing a rear wheel drive? It's a Raptor. Oh, I did build it, so. Earning 2 stars, not bad. This is my nice Raptor R. And a DeLorean. Okay, I need to check the tuning. That's why. Down to 60. That's good. Up there. There. I have full power. Now this is what I call true vehicular devices. Drifting. Oh, I almost got an awesome skill chain. Come on. Get the skill chain. Sorry if my video isn't boring. I'm just trying to get some stuff. Okay. Okay. I think this thing sounds pretty nice, personally. What I call an off-road vehicle. Okay, I think this is gonna be the end of the video, but I have to say one last thing. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like the video. And then I'll see you in the next one, whenever that is. Bye.